ladies and gentlemen, this is Straight Forex with Tom. It's been a stupid while since I posted anything, been busy with my other stuff. But I'm here to share with you another video. So as you can see, I deposited £40 right here on the 14th of April. And today we are on 17th, so basically 3 days of trading. Let me show you real account, IC markets. You can see my name, you can see it's a real account, no demo account. Go back into history. So as you can see, I started with £40 and I was slowly flipping the account. Okay, so first day, obviously on the 14th, I've made £40, so I was on 80 right here. And then on the 15th, I had a little scalp on the 15th, and then I was just like scaling up slowly on the 15th, basically scalping the market. Couple of losses, as you can see. Not every trade is a winner, but as you can see, you need to know how to manage your trade. So as long as you know how to manage it, with your risk management, your stop losses, and obviously your break evens and all that stuff, you'd be totally fine. So as you can see, on the 17th, I was absolutely smashing it on the 17th. This 17th here, bought gold again, so on the 17th I completely smashed it, which is today, guys. Okay, took a loss on Euro and UAD, because I thought it was going to go up. That's what it would look like. But anyway, let me show you the charts, and let me show you the strategy, because you're probably looking for it. So let me go into Euro USD, for example, okay, because that's where I've made my money. So Euro USD, sorry, Euro and Australian dollar. Excuse my words. So if you go back to 4 hour time frame, you see a beautiful supply and demand. On your left, you see aggressive buyers right here, aggressive buying. So I waited for it to come back to this level. Obviously, bought some right here, got out the market this morning, and then went back in. Obviously, because you were looking for another sell opportunity, because it gets to 9 o'clock in the morning, bang, we had another sell. Okay, but this potentially, whoever wants to buy, I believe Euro USD will go up as far as 184. Potentially within the next week. So I'm hoping to carry on buying it. So this is the strategy that every time you see supply and demand. So for example, let me go to this area here. So you see a beautiful supply and demand right here. Okay, so on the 10th there was aggressive buyers and aggressive sellers. So I waited for this to come back here on the 15th. Okay, I did enter around midnight, around 1 o'clock, and by the time we got to 9 o'clock in the morning, or between 8 9 o'clock in the morning, I was out of the market again. So why did I buy? Obviously supply and demand, but what gives you that confirmation? Well, basically, as you can see, look at the RSI right here. Okay, you can see the RSI was overbought. Okay, so basically the levels were down to 30. Okay, our stochastic was down, obviously down to 20 as well. So you were expecting to start buying from this area. So basically I waited for this session to end. Australia, obviously, session started, but already had the confirmation right here and right here, so I knew it was going to go up anyway. But that little move with a decent lot size pays a lot. Like Euro and Australian dollar pays a lot. Okay, now my leverage is 1 to 500, but stochastic and RSI, if they're both down and you are looking at supply and demand, this will be your confirmation, guys. So stop listening to gurus, what they say. If you can find your supply and demand area, so aggressive buyers, aggressive sellers, just like here, you had aggressive sellers here. So you were waiting for this to come back into this area, because no breakout has occurred. Nothing went up. You see a rejection candle. Your stochastic was obviously all the way up by 70, and this was reaching out as well as overbought. But if you look at the stochastic and you look at your supply and demand areas, you would have been selling right here. And trust me, guys, if you would have sold, right here with a lot size of 0.5, and your take profit would have been right down here. Okay, 0.5 right down here. This is your profit, guys, so you enter the market with 80 something pounds, okay, or dollars, depending on your currency. With that leverage from 80, you would have made 366 pounds just for one move, one day. Okay, so this is how you can flip your account from 40 pounds into 1187. Okay, I added more. I was up by 1300, but unfortunately I took a loss on euro and USD because I thought it was going to go up. It hasn't. Okay, so good to see you guys. If you need any more information, if you need anything, hit me up. Leave a comment, like, share this video. Thank you.